Hi guys, I just wanted to send you a short video on how to match in a Go Formative assessment. So for the test that you're doing on matching, you're going to be matching the graphs with the the graphs with the actual equation or function. So if we look at this graph, for instance, right here, say for instance, I believed that this graph was tangent. What I want to do is I am going to click the button to move it, and then I'm going to click where I want it to go. Notice the blue arrows pop up. So I'm going to click where I want this function to move. So it's lit up that that's the function I want to move. What graph do I want to match it with? Well, I said I wanted to match it with this graph, so I just click on that. And then that's where it'll move to. And what was in its place will move down there. So if you wanted to move this graph, you would click again on the arrow or the blue key beside it, and then you'll go to the arrows in the middle and click to where that goes. Say I said this was the graph, then I would click this button. And notice it moved down here. And so that's how you're going to move it. You'll click the 4 arrow key beside of the function, and then whatever graph you want to match it with, you'll click the arrow in between to move it around until you get it matched how you want it to match. If you have any questions, feel free again to join the Zoom sessions. We have one tomorrow at 10 a.m. And that is Thursday. So Thursday at 10 a.m. and then Thursday at 2 p.m. So you have that option. Feel free to join the tutorial. Also, feel free to message me if something comes up. All right, guys, good luck.